Hello, in this video I will be showcasing camera and camera controls. There's not much to talk about camera as it's pretty basic, but it uses CinemaMashine as well as virtual cameras for it. Now, you have already seen during multiplayer, but there's camera controls during the intro loading, so that's the first thing that I'm gonna showcase. So, for information, the moment that black bars on the top and the bottom appear with a skip button in the middle is the moment that the player is supposed to actually see it. Everything else is loading, the screen should be black. But as I stated, there's no one that's actually developed the GUI for it, so it is what it is. The intro loading is pretty basic. It's just a script that subscribes spawn areas, cameras to it, and it just blends one between the other. So all animations would be played for a green party, all animations would be played for a red party, and now the game is active. That's all there is. So I should talk about initiative, but it's in the later video. So now this unit is active. There are basic controls which are VSD, so I can move this, I can move like this, I can zoom out, zoom in, also I can move sideways. Once the turn has ended for one player, the turn continues for the next. Also I can click on each player to move the camera. Pretty basic. I also can click on other players to move the camera to them. Pretty simple. Now how it works. First, the map. It has an Unity cinematic controller which handles the cinematics. Pretty basic. Each map has the camera instance, which is also created with scene instance handler. So the camera instance, these are all cameras that are attached to every unit. And it's, as I said, cinematic virtual machine, which follows and has basic information. Each camera has a collider, as I stated when showing the map. There are certain colliders. For example, this building has a collider that interacts with the camera, while the invisible colliders don't. As you can see, collider invisible. And this is the camera for inputs. So each has the basic values, weights, as well as dampening to make it a bit smoother. Starting values, how fast it moves, how it's reset, etc, etc. Everything is neatly placed. Each unit has the camera just reference, and that's it. Of course, different units can have different cameras attached to it and it can work differently, but there's no need for that. So that's about it for the camera. Next, I will be talking about initiative in the next video. Thank you for watching.